I've been struggling to come up with new video ideas recently. So I built a tool that finds them for me. Here it is. Check this out. I just paste in the link here to any YouTube video in my niche and press analyze comments. And the tool studies that video, extracts the comments, and then it comes back with a list of top video ideas based on what people were asking about in that video's comments. I built this tool with AI and I found it really easy to put together. So I thought I'd just explain exactly how I did it so that you can do it yourself if you want to, and also just share some things I learned while building something like this for the first time. So to put this all together, there was 3 parts that were necessary. The first part was finding a way to build that page you just saw that lets me paste in the YouTube link and actually displays the video ideas. Secondly, I needed a way to extract the comments from any YouTube video that I choose. And thirdly, I needed a way to analyze all of those extracted comments to find patterns in what people were saying to come up with those new video ideas. So here's the tools I use to achieve each of those 3 steps. So starting off, to build the web page, I use one of those no-code AI website builders because I'm not a web developer myself. I don't know how to code. I just needed an AI to do all of that automatically for me. So the AI no-code website builder tool I use is what you're seeing on screen now. It's called Replit, and it just lets you type in the web page that you want made and it does it for you. So, I can type in something like this, make a web page. It lets me enter the link to a YouTube video, press a button, and then the comments are shown on the web page, giving me ideas for new videos. I can literally type that in, press start, and it will go off and build the majority of that page for me. This was super useful for me to get over that technical hurdle. I'll pop a link to Replit in the description to this video if you want to try it out yourself. Okay, secondly, the setup that actually lets you extract comments from YouTube videos. Although Replit could build the starting web page, it didn't have the technology built in to kind of talk to YouTube and pull things out of YouTube. So to extract those comments, I had to use like a plug-in service that YouTube has actually built itself. It's on screen. It's called the YouTube Data API. And as you can see on screen now, this Data API lets you search through YouTube content and pull findings from YouTube into your own webpage. It's a bit technical, but by just chatting to the AI in Replit, it was able to tell me exactly what steps to take to get this set up and how to connect this into my Replit website. So super easy once I just started asking Replit how to do everything. And then thirdly, to analyze all of those extracted comments and come up with video ideas from them, I needed to use a AI. And I ended up using Google Gemini, which you're seeing on screen now. But I wanted this to be automatic. I didn't want to have to open up Gemini, paste the comments into it, and then tell it to analyze the comments for me every time I wanted to use this. I wanted the analysis all done automatically within that web page that I showed you. So I learned that instead of using normal Gemini, I had to use the Gemini API in this instance to do that analysis within the web page that I built in Replit. You'll see the Gemini API website on screen now. I'll link you to this and the YouTube Data API in the description to this video too. It's a bit technical, but just like before on the second step, I was able to just chat with Replit inside the web page it was building for me, ask it how to connect it up to the Gemini API, and it just gave me instructions on how to get that set up. I found that ChatGPT has a much lower limit in terms of the amount of text that you can send to it in one go when you ask it to do anything, so I had to use Gemini instead. So now my new process for finding ideas for my channel is to use this tool that I've always used to find the highest performing videos currently in my niche. This tool is one of 10, by the way, if you've not used it before. I'll pop the link to this in the description too. But yeah, I can just find one of these videos, copy the link to it, head over to my new app and paste that video in. And then I'm automatically served with video ideas based on what people were asking about and are interested in from the comments of this already high performing video in my niche. So the thinking there is if this video is already done well, YouTube is pushing videos on this topic. Here are the follow-up video ideas within this topic that I could make next to try and continue that momentum. I thought it was a really cool tool to make and really useful. Let me know if you think so too in the comments. I'm kind of doing this stuff in a vacuum here. If you guys don't let me know what you think. So let me know your thoughts and if you could see yourself using something like this, or if you think I should build anything new into it to make it even better. After realizing just how easy it was to build this tool using AI, I'm definitely going to be making more tools like this in the future that I can just use to help me create video content faster. And I'm getting really excited about the idea of building those tools and talking about how to use AI to create videos faster in this content. So yeah, super exciting stuff. I might even give access to this to some of you for free, so you can try it out and let me know what you think. I'll tell you what, sign up to my newsletter in the description below. I send like AI updates every 2 weeks, and just reply to the first newsletter that comes out that you're interested in the comment tool. And yeah, if people show interest, maybe I'll give a few of you free access so that you can use it, see if it works well for you, maybe give me ideas on how to improve in the future. Yeah, so links below if you want to explore that. This video has gone on for long enough now. More on how to use AI to create videos faster in the future. Subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. See you later.